the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away. Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Hey guys, good morning. So we have a lot to do today aside from her 6-month appointment and shots, which I'm not looking forward to. I'm gonna be asking the doctor about baby-led weaning because she's a hungry baby, right? You're a hungry baby. Yeah, she's been reaching for food lately, and I want to ask her about baby-led weaning, and if she says yes, I did an order for Bye Bye Baby to pick up one of those bamboo plates. I'm gonna pick that up after the appointment. Then I'm gonna come home and make a recipe for baby-led weaning, and I'll be showing you guys all of that stuff. But today is really hot, and we have not been out the house since COVID because she was born in December, so she's a pandemic baby. So I got these outfits from Patpat, and if you don't know what Patpat is, it is kind of like it's the same company as Shein, and they're like the baby part of Shein, and they have their own little app, and they have such cute stuff, so affordable. It's like really nice out, and I have not been able to dress her in these cute little things, and they're all 6 to 9 months, so I really want to put her in one of these. These are the options. It's like this little romper, this cute little romper. I'll probably put a shirt under this one because it's like a corduroy type of romper, and then this cute tank top set with these little shorts, which that's what I'm leaning towards because I think it'll fit her a little more snug than the rest of them. And when I get her 6 to 9, usually they don't fit her snug till around the end of whatever the threshold is, like 9 months. Like I got her these pajamas from Target, 6 to 9, and they're still a little big, which is why I rolled them up. I actually did a huge Target haul the other day, and I recorded it. Yeah, I recorded it, so I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'm gonna show you guys which outfit I picked. So I'll be right back, guys. So I'm just gonna do a quick Target haul because I went to Target the other day and I spent way too much money. I went there to get some onesies for the baby because she reached 6 months and she's really low on onesies. Like I'm washing the same ones over and over because I just all I have is 3 to 6 months and they barely fit her anymore. So I wanted to go get her that, and that was my goal. But then, as you can see, I left Target with all of this. So first, I'm gonna show you guys the items that I got from the dollar spot. Actually, I got these for Father's Day. So these were all really cute, and these are not gonna be their gifts, but they're little things that I can add to the gifts, you know. So for my dad, these cards, I got him this card that says, "Thanks, Dad, you made me awesome," and it was only $1, and cards are usually expensive, and it's a wooden card too. So I thought that was cool. And then this is for my dad and my husband. So for my dad, I'm gonna add to his gift best grandpa ever and number one grandpa, and these were $3, both of them. So really good deal, really cute stuff. This is like a tumbler. And then number one dad, I got one for my husband to add to whatever I get him, and then one for my dad. And then these two little things. This one, it says, "Thanks, Dad, you made me awesome." So it's going to be for my dad because obviously my husband's not my dad. And this one says, "If at first you don't succeed, ask Dad." And I'm going to give this one to my husband. These were $1. So these were $1. So these were $1, $3, and I think the socks were $1. So great stuff. And the other thing I got from the Target dollar spot that was $5 is this cute little like stand. I think I have to use like a plant stand or like a tier tray, like, you know, if you're gonna put a candle, like I don't know where I'm gonna use it. You guys will probably see it in a decorate with me or clean with me, I don't know, but I thought it was really cute, and they have other sizes. And then this is not from the dollar spot, but this is from the Magnolia Table collection. I have all the other ones. If you've seen it in my kitchen, I have the coffee one and I have the honey one, and they never had the sugar one, so they finally had the small sugar one, and it was $5.99. All the times I went, they had like the really big sugar one, and I didn't want the big sugar one. I wanted the small one because all my other ones are small, so they finally restocked this, so I got this. And then for the baby, other than her clothes, I've been noticing that she makes a mess in her high chair, and I keep cleaning it with regular cleaners, and something just popped into my head. Like, I don't think these chemicals are safe for her. Obviously, they're not, and I tried to wipe it down with the baby wipe after I used the chemicals, but I was just like, that's not the way to do it. So I went into the baby spot, and I seen this all-purpose spray, no harsh chemicals, so I can go ahead and wipe down her high chair and her toys if they get dirty. They have the wipes for these too, and I think I'm gonna go back and get the wipes, because I was just thinking for her toys they would be perfect, because to spray them is a little hard. But I'm gonna be cleaning her high chair with this from now on, just to be safe. And then she's teething, so I saw this cute little teether rattle. It's cute. It has a rainbow. I love the aesthetic of this. But she has teethers already, but I just thought this one was cute, so I grabbed it. And then I had to restock on her shampoo, her wash and shampoo. That's the one I use ever since she got a rash. I stopped using Johnson & Johnson, and I used one for like sensitive skin. And then I saw this Dreft, so I wash her clothes with Dreft baby detergent, but this is a laundry stain remover, and I noticed that some of the stains, you know, when she has her little blows don't come off. So I thought this was a good buy. It was only like $7. This was $5.99, and then her shampoo is like $12. Now for her onesies, I got two that came separately, and these are like $8. I usually like buying the 3-packs because they're cheaper, but I just love these. They're tie-dye, and these are 6 to 9 months. So I got this tie-dye one, and then I had this cute tie-dye one. It's like orange or peach. And then I love it because the little foot has like little cartoons, and whenever there's cartoons on her feet, when I put these onesies on her, she loves looking at them and playing with them. It's so funny. So I got those, and then I got this 3-pack. Was it 3? Yeah. It's 3-pack, 6 to 9 months. Oh yeah, these were $8. And then this 3-pack was, does it have it here? No, it doesn't have it here, but I think it was like $12. So as you can see, these separate ones were $8 each, and then you get 3 of these for $12. So that's why I usually get these, but these separate ones are usually cuter. So yeah, but these are really cute. It comes with a floral one. I think they put these out for summer. Then it has like a really cute mint green one that I love, and then a flower one. So they're all really summery. And yeah, I like these because in the summer I sleep with the AC on, and she's still in my room. I am not ready to put her in her crib yet, so they'll keep her nice and warm. And then I just got some onesies as well. These are a 3-pack as well. 6 months. Very summery. Some lemons, some flowers, and I think this is a plain one. Oh no, it's not plain. It just says happy girl, and it has some bees on it. So yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 pieces of clothing for her to just be in the house, you know. And I really needed to restock on that because, like I said, she's a growing girl and she does not have much. I have to record for you guys when I go through her nursery and take out all the stuff that doesn't fit her. Now for my stuff, the first thing that I did was I got me some new nursing bras, and I saw these and I thought they were really cute and stylish. It comes in like a mauve color and like a cream, and they're nursing bras. So they're like that really comfortable material that you can just pull down when you're nursing. And I really needed some nursing bras because the one I have are just worn out. She's 6 months and I've been using them for 6 months, the same ones over and over. And I got these in a medium. They were $20 for 2, which I thought was not bad. Then over here we got some clearance stuff. So these tie-dye pants, which I love just to be around the house and clean, and they're cute. They are originally $22, but I got them on clearance for $10, I think it was. It was like in the 30 to 50% off, so it was like $10 or $11 I got them. Their original price was $22, and I got them in a medium, and they were actually the only pair there, so I'm so glad that it was actually in my size. And then I got these other tie-dye ones, and they're really cute. Their material is so, like, it's that loose flowy material, and they're wide leg, which I love. So this one kind of cuffs at the bottom, and these are like wide, and they're like that really nice airy material. And then they have these little tassels, and I love them. These were $17.99, so those I didn't get on clearance, but I love them so much because the material, so I thought it was worth it. And again, I was in Target just to get that, but I seen these and I was like, you know what, let me spoil myself. I haven't got me some new nursing bras in a while, new house clothes, so let me just do that. And then as I was in the clearance section, I found this really cute shirt. It's a size small, and I'm a medium, but smalls fit me sometimes if they run big like this. And this was only $5, and it's so cute to pair with some jeans, just like a plain shirt. So yeah, as you guys can see, I spent quite a lot of money in Target, but you know, sometimes you just gotta spoil yourself, spoil your baby, and not worry. And all these things are things that we actually needed, so I don't feel bad about it.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
So cute. It did fit her the most snug, so this is what I put on her. You look so pretty. I'm just gonna do her hair. Her hair's curly, so I wet her curls and then I put down her baby hair a little bit. I'm gonna see if I have any shoes. I have very limited shoes because she doesn't walk, so I didn't bother buying baby shoes. But I'm gonna see if I have something. If not, then it's fine. It's really hot outside, and she's not gonna be walking, so.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Hey, you guys, we're about to head out. Hi, baby. So we're seeing her in the car seat because we barely ever went out. But yeah, we're about to head out now. Got her bag and my bag. Side note, get a diaper bag that's shaped like a book bag so your husband can carry it instead.
It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss their leaves?
Does anybody else still sit in the back seat with their baby? I know she's old enough already that I could sit in the front, but I'm super paranoid. Maybe it's like a first time mom thing.
Behind. Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
Doctor's about to come in our waiting. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to record, so I'll see you guys later. Hi, baby. Okay, guys, so we just left the doctor's office. The doctor gave okay for the baby-led weaning, so now we're gonna head over to Bye Bye Baby and pick up the bamboo plate that I sent for pickup, so we can start that and then head home and cook her some avocado creamy pasta that I've been dying to make for her since I've seen it on a baby-led weaning video. Her shots went good. She didn't cry that much. Every time she would start crying, because she needed 4 shots, I would just sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider to her. That's her favorite song. and then she would calm down. So that went way better than the 2 months and 4 month shots, so that was good. Now I just have to look out for a fever or anything like that. She only got a fever for her 4 month shots, so hopefully she doesn't get a fever this time. But if she does, I have Tylenol. She gave me the dosage for Tylenol and everything, but overall it was not so bad. I'm really excited for actual food now because she's been trying to take my food, so now I can give her her own. It's gonna be a little more work because now I gotta actually cook for her, but I'm excited. So I'll see you guys when I get to buy my baby, and then when we get home to cook some creamy avocado pasta.
Oh, I wonder.
This is what I was talking about, the bamboo plate, and it comes with a little spoon. It has pink silicone as well. And then of course I bought a bunch of things in the queue line because these things are just designed to make you spend money. This little first aid kit that I could keep in her diaper bag, some boogie wipes I need, and a little hand sanitizer, because why not? And I got some M&Ms. But yeah, now we're about to head home. Right, baby? And I'll see you guys when we get home. Okay, you guys, so let's get into this creamy avocado pasta recipe for baby-led weaning. All you need is some ricotta cheese, avocados, garlic and pepper, and obviously some pasta. I'm using the tricolor pasta because it's dried up tomato and spinach, so that just adds more nutrients and vegetables to the dish. I'm just unboxing the NutriBullet Baby. I got both the NutriBullet Baby and the NutriBullet Baby steamer, but you can honestly just use a regular blender. I'm just extra like that because I'm a first-time mom, and you know we're getting all the unnecessary things. So I'm boiling the pasta, and I'm gonna boil it until it's real soft, just because I'm afraid of a choking hazard. So I just boiled it more than I would usually boil it, so it could be really soft. And then you're just gonna take an avocado and blend that up in whatever blender that you have. So as I was blending it, it wasn't getting as mashed up as I hoped. So what I did end up doing, and I don't show it on video, but I used some of the water from the boiling pasta, and I actually just put it in there, and then it blended way easier. And then after that, I added the ricotta cheese and blended everything together.
Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel.
So after everything was blended to the consistency that I wanted, I just added it back into the pot where the noodles were, and then I added my seasoning, which was just a tad bit of garlic powder and a little bit of black pepper. You're not supposed to add salt to these things because babies are not supposed to have a high salt diet. So I just added very little of both seasonings, and then I added my noodles in and mixed it all together. Now that we're coming towards the end of the video, I just want to quickly say that I am drawing the winner today for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so you still have a chance to enter. The rules to enter will be down in the description. And now I'm just showing you guys her eating it, if that's what you even want to call it. She put one piece of pasta to her mouth, and the rest she kind of just threw around, which is expected at first with baby-led weaning. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoy these type of videos so I could put out more in the future, and I'll see you guys in my next one.